Synthetic fibers.
Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to the clothes shop. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm Veena. I'm here to do some research for a project. Can you help me?
Sure. What is your project about?
It is about synthetic fibers. I want to understand the different types of synthetic fibers and how they are made.
Okay, I will tell you all you need to know about fibers. Wool, cotton and silk are common natural fibers used for making cloth. They are obtained from plants and animals. Synthetic fibers are man-made. They are polymers, many of which are obtained from petroleum. Rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic are some synthetic fibers. Silk is a natural fiber with a beautiful texture. But it is expensive. Rayon or artificial silk is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fibers.
How is rayon made, Sophia?
Rayon is made from wood pulp. Wood pulp is first dissolved in an alkaline solution. The thick liquid produced is then passed through tiny holes to make fibers. These are hardened by passing them into a bath of sulfuric acid. The fibers are then spun into yarn and woven into cloth.
What are the uses of rayon, Sophia?
It is used to make apparel and home furnishings.
Which synthetic fiber will you tell me about next, Sophia?
I will tell you about nylon. It was the first synthetic fiber to be made entirely of chemicals. It is very strong and elastic. It is light, wrinkle-resistant and wear-resistant. It is easy to wash and absorbs very little water. Therefore, garments made from nylon dry quickly. It is lustrous in appearance.
How is nylon useful, Sophia?
Being very strong, nylon fiber is used to make ropes, tents, fishing nets and parachutes. It has good elasticity and is, therefore, useful for making socks and stockings. Nylon is also used to make toothbrushes, combs, zip fasteners and machine parts.
This fabric looks different. What is this, Sophia?
This is polyester. It is manufactured from petroleum. It is strong, crease-resistant, light, elastic and absorbs very little water. It is often mixed with natural fibers to make clothes. With cotton, it makes polycot, and with wool, it forms polywool. Its water-resistant property makes it ideal for garments and jackets that are to be worn in wet or damp environments.
This is wool, right?
No. Many people confuse this fabric with wool. It is acrylic and resembles wool in its properties. It is lightweight, soft and warm with a wool-like feel. It resists shrinkage and wrinkles. It can be dyed in a variety of colors. Clothes made from acrylic are cheaper than wool. Veena, some synthetic fibers catch fire very easily. They melt on heating and stick to the body of the person wearing them. Therefore, they can cause severe burn injuries. Synthetic clothes should not be worn in the kitchen or in the laboratory.
Thank you for telling me all this, Sophia. I can now go home and make my project. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.